Why do we say that XIN ODA is a trustworthy modular building partner? Because our requirement is not to simply sell modular products to customers, but to integrate factory processing and trade to truly solve problems for customers. As one of the few integrated enterprises in China with independent R&D capabilities, production capabilities and construction capabilities, we are committed to providing customers with one-stop solutions. For example, when a customer's project faces challenges of tight schedule and large area, we can directly use assembled mobile houses to quickly respond to customer needs. In addition, if the customer has high requirements for fire protection, we will use flame-retardant materials to ensure the fire resistance of the mobile house to meet the customer's safety needs. Sometimes, customers will pay attention to environmental protection issues. At this time, we will use new green building materials that can be recycled and reused to meet the customer's usage standards. In short, we know the needs of our customers very well and strive to meet their needs in all aspects. On this basis, we also found that many customers will encounter a common problem in the process of cooperation. The solutions they find themselves are sometimes not comprehensive enough, and they cannot find suitable solutions in time when they encounter problems. With our rich experience and expertise, we can quickly provide comprehensive and effective help when customers need it. There are many suppliers, some of which are responsible for the main body, some for decoration, and some for the installation of mechanical and electrical equipment. In the end, the management of the entire project is relatively chaotic. The progress is difficult to control, and the cost budget is easily exceeded. Therefore, from the beginning of our establishment, we realized that we should provide one-stop service to help customers save money and worry. From the early design plan to the later installation and delivery, we have a professional team to follow up to ensure that every link is controllable. Moreover, our products are independently developed and designed, and can be customized according to customer needs to truly tailor-make exclusive solutions. Of course, in addition to good products, service is also very important. We have professional product managers and technical engineers who can answer customer questions in all aspects and quickly solve problems that arise on site. In addition, we have our own transportation fleet to ensure that delivery is completed on time and in quality. We know that only by satisfying customers can we establish a long-term, cooperative relationship. Now, more and more customers are starting to choose us because they have seen the quality and service of our products, and they believe that we'll become your trusted partner. If you have similar problems, please feel free to consult us at any time and look forward to every cooperation with you.